Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are memory keeping the week of September 26th through October 2nd. So we're into October. I can't believe that I've already filled up this book. It's so fat that I have to put part of the year over on the right side. I have a beautiful kit to use this week. It's so fun. I love clip art kits for certain weeks, and this one is perfect. I love all of the artwork. It's got some Halloween elements, so I kind of put this specifically into October, but it's a good transition from September to October. So I think I'll put this box over somewhere over here. It's so cute. I really like the colors. Fun little spider webs behind the date covers. Here's the bottom washi, some labels. This is the mini kit version, if I did not say that, of the 90s Fall Day kit from Jessica Hart's. I'm going all out of order today. I do have an extra box here that I can work with and some third boxes here. I'll use these labels as well. I did add on the foil overlay in gold, so I need to grab my gold binder so that I can incorporate some of the foil because it's super pretty and I think it's going to be beautiful over this bottom washi like this. Really cute. All right, I think we're ready to just get right into it, so let's do it. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi. These strips go all the way across on both sides. So I'm going to use the overlay this week, and I'm placing down the sticker first because it just works better for me that way. I can see the sticker and the outline and line it up a little bit easier if I have it down. I do like this bottom washi so much, and the overlay is so pretty. On the left side it says Falling Leaves Hot Cocoa, and on the right side it says Cozy Sweaters Pumpkin Carving. Really cute. And since it does go all the way across, I'm not going to put two full boxes in the sidebar. You'll see that in a minute. I will just kind of work with it, and it looks really cute when it's finished. So for date dots this week, I'm using these old ones from Nikki Plus 3. They're gold and they match the kit really well. So I'm just popping those into the date covers, and I will put those on in just a minute. I'm going to start with glitter headers first though, because I like to have that boundary set before I put down the date covers. So using the order from the kit and placing down all 4 of them, since there's not a full set of one, plus it kind of makes it look more fun since the date covers are all like the same pattern and color. So putting down those date covers real quick. The new planner has more space up in the top section here, so I'm gonna have to experiment with that and see how that works for me. I might have to like alter some things. So just popped in the weekend banner, and then we're gonna go to the sidebar. Oh, we're gonna put in some more date covers. Forgot that part. I'm not whiting out anything underneath them because they're so dark. Okay, so at the top of the sidebar here, I'm going to go ahead and put in October because this month goes into October, so, or this week. So I'm just layering this little October sticker on top of that. And then pulling in some full boxes here. So I already put an overlay on a couple of these, but I will add some more at the end. So just putting in them in my normal spots on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and then some up top, and I'll save one for Monday. So going back to the sidebar, I'm going to grab a glitter header just to kind of give it a little bit more definition and put that down at the bottom of the column. Above that, I'm going to put in a half box for my favorite moment of the week. And then I'm just grabbing some deco that works with this kit, and I found some from Crafty Banana. They're so cute. And then I found the This Week overlay and put that on top of one of these headers or labels. You can use them however you want. And then just put that in at the top of the column. A little bit of deco. I love the pies. So cute. And then the fall smiley face is adorable. Okay, before I get into the day by day, I'm going to go ahead and put in my videos for the week because I don't want to forget them, and I tend to forget if I don't put them in right now before I even start. So going back to Monday, I'm going to mark the first thing with a label, which is I started organizing a trip for our school to go to a Holocaust Museum exhibit. It was like a partnership with our local library and the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. And so I just started organizing groups because they had to be kind of smaller groups for the way that their system worked. And so I started working on that, and I put a note here that I'm glad our kids are going to be able to go to the exhibit. It will be worth all the work. And it was a lot of work, but I stand by that. It was worth it. And then I'm going to put in a full box underneath that with a little overlay, and I'll put that in a little bit later. This was the day that marked my 800th video, which is crazy. But I just put that with a little screenshot of the 800 on the bottom of that column. On Tuesday, I went out exploring with our environmental science class, and we went up to this like spooky cemetery. It was on this hill, and the kids were looking at different plants, but it was really fun. I needed to get outside. I put here that it was good to get out, and the BH cemetery was so creepy though. It's got like people there from like the 1800s. Very, very weird and creepy, but it was fun to be out there. It was a nice day, and it was a good time with the kids. And then I went to Lowe's this day for some lawn supplies, and I put a note here that I think I'm going to go wild. So I was thinking about it for, well, months and years, but this week specifically, the tickets were going on sale, and I didn't know if they were going to sell out or anything. I don't think they have, but I was kind of like on the fence, but leaning toward going, and you'll see later what decision I made. So on Wednesday, I put in this tweet that says, I want an entire Netflix series that's just the Library of Congress, inviting famous people over to play with some cool shit at the Library of Congress. I would totally watch that. I love history. I love like pop culture stuff. I also kind of had to step in as an admin, and there were so many kid feelings. And then I ended that column with a cute picture of my nephew. On Thursday, so I made the decision this day, well, really the day before, but I made some concrete decisions. On Thursday, I bought my ticket, I booked my flights, and I booked my hotel. So really excited. I used these cute stickers from Once More with Love. They had like a planner convention sheet that I've had for probably 3 years, and I'm finally getting to use it. And then I put in here that I had a good workout and good eating today, and that I was feeling great this week. And this cute little Bubba Bear battery sticker, so cute. And then on Friday, I put in I kind of just situating some things, but we won our football game, which is a big deal for us because we struggle sometimes. Our kids like usually don't have the opportunity to play team sports until they come to our school, and so we were 4-3 at this point. We may make the playoffs. We'll see where we're at with that, but really excited for them, and they've done a lot of hard work. So I put in a full box at the top, just kind of resituating some things over on the weekend here. And then I put that I was trying to get ahead, still struggling to get ahead. And I had concession stand duty, so I put in some more Bubba Bear Studio stickers. And then on Saturday, I slept in a little bit. I needed to recharge. And whenever I feel that, when I first wake up at 6:30, I'll either sleep for another hour or so, or I'll get straight up. And this day, I definitely needed a little more sleep. So I was doing some filming for YouTube this day and just trying to, again, just kind of get ahead, but I'm just not there yet. Sometimes I will get ahead and then I'll get lazy, but I put some filming, or I put a filming sticker down and wrote filming on that, and then I put in that full box with the socks, which is adorable. And then below that, I put that I actually took a nap. Apparently I needed even more sleep. I'm not a nap person. It's really hard for me to quiet my mind during the day and at night too, but I actually took a nap this day, which was big. And then at the bottom of this column, I finished the Dahmer series on Netflix, and I also called my mom, so I'm going to put that on another label above that, and then just fill in with some glitter headers. So I've got some cute stickers down here, one from Coffee Monsters Co. with the little phone, and then the little fingerprint sticker is from, oh no, I lost it. I'll have to look it up. I'll definitely link it down in the description. I have it in my head, but I don't remember what it is. Anyway, we're just going to keep going. On Sunday, I did some errands in the morning, and then I meal prepped, and I kind of caught up on some things that I didn't get done the day before. I also put in a podcast sticker underneath that, and I wrote that I'm really enjoying a couple of podcasts, Behind the Bastards and Diet Starts Tomorrow. So Behind the Bastards does series a lot, and I really like them because you get like super in-depth on these horrible people, and it just has a lot of really great info. And then on Diet Starts Tomorrow, they actually have new hosts now, and I'm just getting to know them, but so far so good, and that podcast just really speaks to me most of the time. Interesting conversations always. And then below that note, I have a quote in here that says, "Alone time is when I distance myself from the voices of the world so I can hear my own," which is an Oprah quote, and I just really like that one. And then in my journaling section over here, I put an exhausting one, but so good. I'm thrilled that I'm going to go wild finally. It will be so much fun. Only 148 days to go. I kind of laughed at myself there, and I can't wait. I really can't. I'm so thrilled. And then my favorite moment of the week was buying my ticket. I was worried that they were going to sell out. So glad they didn't. And that was just a really fun experience. And then booking everything else made it totally real. So just counting down those days. And then just opening the spread really fast. I got into my foil binder, and I'm going to add a little bit more foil to this since there just wasn't enough for my taste. So I grabbed some header overlays, and then I'm going to put those in real quick just across the top just to give it a little bit more foil up there. And then I'm going to grab some more overlays as well and just kind of bring in some more foil in the middle of the spread. And I really love these touches. It's not like overpowering to me, which can happen with foil. It's just enough. So just grabbing a cute little foiled overlay, one that says Hello October, which was on the 1st. And then I found this really cute one that says Hi Pumpkin. And then another one that just kind of gives a little bit of foil touches on the corners. And then I'm just going to take my ruler and run it over these, making sure that everything is transparent. It's not cloudy. You got to be really gentle though, because you don't want to lift the foil, but it just kind of gives that little difference, a little more clean. And that is it. Here's this week all finished. It is so cute. Even better than I thought it was going to be. And I love that I added a little bit of foil, although I am rusty and I got a couple on wrong. It's fine. It's totally fine. I think it looks so cute, like the bottom washi. Ooh, adorable. I love this. I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you next time. Bye!